And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. We finally made it to Friday. Your time is 6:43. TGIF to you. We're off to another warm and humid start to the day, folks. So when you step outside, it'll feel like a summer morning in the upper 70s in La Grulla, 78, 77 in La Sara, 80 in La Villa, as well as Rio Hondo. So very warm and humid out there. But look at this sunrise. Isn't it spectacular? Beautiful view with that golden sunrise on the out there in between the clouds a little bit, but really just a beautiful view from our Sky 5 camera here in Weslaco. Now, in terms of the temperatures right here in Weslaco, we're at 77, but look at the wind. South wind at 7 miles per hour. So as we look at that wind speed throughout the day, we put the future track model in motion starting at 6 this morning. We go to about 10 o'clock. Notice that the winds, they start to see a little bit more blue here on the map, so they start to pick up. We're talking maybe 10 to 15 mile per hour wind speeds by about mid-morning, and they'll stay elevated between 12 and 22 miles per hour for the majority of the day. Now, winds could gust a bit higher than that, near 25 and even 30 miles per hour, especially if you're out there along the coast. So we'll have that coastal forecast in just a second. Today, we're going to reach high temperatures of 100 degrees here in Weslaco, and areas west will be a little bit hotter, near 104 as far as Rio Grande City. It's going to feel like 105 degrees or even higher than that, or hotter than that, just because of all that humid air that won't go away anytime soon. It's going to trickle into the weekend, and for Father's Day, we're still going to be hot, breezy, humid, near 99, feeling like the triple digits out there. So if you have plans outdoors, just remember to carry something weighted with you so you can hold all your stuff down, and then also to drink lots of water to stay hydrated in the heat. We are tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News this morning, taking a quick look over in the Atlantic. We're watching this little tropical wave make its way west. If any development does occur, it will be very gradual over the next couple of days. Now, looking at the Gulf, we're quiet right now, but we're watching an area right around the Yucatan over the weekend that does have a potential to develop into something. Now, this is not here just yet, okay? There's nothing out there. You see 0% for the next 2 days. The 5-day outlook puts it at about a 50% chance of something developing and moving into the Gulf. Now, when we look at the model, you can see that this particular model is a European. This particular model keeps the moisture coming into the Gulf, and possibly a disturbance is something that we'll continue to watch. There's a lot of uncertainty right now, okay? With the GFS or that particular model, it just kind of gets rid of everything, while this particular model holds everything together, but it does keep it well to our south because of this ridge of high pressure kind of pushing everything south of the valley. But what we will see Wednesday and Thursday is an increasing amount of moisture. It's not a whole lot, but it could support a few showers of thunderstorms. For today and into the weekend, though, the big concern is going to be the heat and the breeziness. So if you're doing any boating, it's going to be choppy out there on the bay today, and seas will average 2 to 4 feet. So mariners, a small craft, you should use caution while you're out there on the bay. Fishermen, your high tide is at 10:01 this morning. That's when the winds really start to pick up. So I don't know if it's going to do any good out there to go out there, but you can try it. It may work out for you, or early morning fishing may be in your benefit. High temperatures will range from 90 at the coast today to 95 in Brownsville, 99 down the I-69E corridor from Raymondville into Harlingen. Get to Weslaco, that's where we start at 100, going west, 104 in Rio Grande City. Edinburgh and McAllen will be near 102 and 103 degrees. But it doesn't matter if you're in the 90s, you're still going to feel like the triple digits out there because of all that humid air. That's going to continue as we head into the weekend. 101 hot and breezy for tomorrow, 99 for Father's Day. So it's still very hot and very humid. Take precautions while you're outdoors, celebrating for Father's Day. As we head into early next week, 98 degrees, mainly dry and mainly sunny for Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, we bump up your rain chances. A few showers or thunderstorms are possible. Rain chances near 20%. High temperatures, mid to upper 90s. Your overnight lows will eventually get a little bit cooler, but not by much. They're still in that warm category, folks. 79 degrees Sunday night, and then down to about 75 for Wednesday night. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.